Elf stock just had earnings and sold off massively. Massive sell off. Crazy. They've been on an amazing downturn in the worst way possible. So, what do we do now? The chill deal trades, what do we do? As you can see on this chart, it's had a pretty nasty kind of double top into creating two shoulders and then a giant sell off. And typically, I would say you want this to retrace about the same amount as the head and shoulders, which would be about $50. But I think with the oversold conditions after this sell off to mid 60s, you might want to consider nibbling here. A couple reasons. One, extremely sold off on the daily, the weekly. Secondarily, even though they had soft guidance, we do see some upside in skincare. So they are diversifying their brand. They are not just makeup anymore, they are also skincare. And so that's another reason, diversifying and seeing huge progress in these other markets. And the third reason is TikTok shops. TikTok ain't going nowhere, people. It's not going nowhere. And so they use TikTok shops to acquire a lot of customers, and that's not going anywhere. So you got to remember, people sell off for what's baked in the future for Q1. Now we have to look beyond that. What about Q2? What about Q3? And if this stock starts to settle in these mid low 60s, we might find a base here.